Hey guys, it's Charlotte, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make unicorn slime. Yep, this is my way, and mine's going to be hopefully a lighter pink than this, magenta. And I'm using acrylic paint colours, by the way. So my activator is borax powder mixed in water. So all you need is 1 teaspoon of borax in like half a cup of water or something, but I have used some of this. So then you just give it a shake, and you pour it, to mix it up, you pour it in a bottle and you give it a shake. You can pierce a hole in the lid, but I just prefer to open it, otherwise if it falls over then yeah, you get it. So I'm just gonna need some PVA glue. I have a little bit left of this. I am in the UK, by the way, so sorry if you I'm pretty sure American people have these as well if you're American. So I'm just going to be using the last of this PVA glue. I'll show you what this looks like in a minute. I'm not having that much. It's just annoying. I wish I had another one of these. And this was like a 1 litre bottle, and I've used it. I'll show you my other slime at the end of the video. And my borax came yesterday, actually, because this is my 3rd slime using borax. The first one kind of went dry overnight, so I had to bin it. I don't know why. They comment if you know why. Okay, I think that's pretty much most of the glue. So let me just show you a quick bird's eye view look. Okay, so here is my glue. Yep, that's good enough. So my camera is just leaning on a bunch of stuff. So my glue's in there. Now, oh gosh, I need something to stir with. So I'm just using the back of an old paintbrush. And I'm just going to mix the glue on its own first. By the way, this is fluffy slime. Now, I've got this liqueur for men for sensitive skin shaving gel. And I believe this was 69p or something from Aldi. So I'm just going to spray a lot of this in. It doesn't make noise like a shaving foam does, which is okay, I suppose. So I realised before that I couldn't turn my camera around. So yeah, I'm very cringy. I think I say that in pretty much all my videos, and I hardly ever post. It won't mix very well. I'll be back with you when it's mixed. Okay, so I am back and I added a bit more shaving cream. So, yes, I added a trickle more glue, but now I'm afraid I put way too much shaving foam in, literally. It literally just feels like really nice shaving cream. It kind of feels like what I imagine of a cloud. So now, I'm just going to grab, my acrylic paint. Squeeze a little bit in. This looks quite pale. You can't see on it. Oh. Just do 3 drops of that and mix it in. Again, I'll be back when this process. Okay, so now I've got a pretty baby pinky. Oh, sorry, you can't the camera. Unicorn pinky colour. Can't see that, can you? What's that? Is that my arm? Oh my gosh. Hopefully you can see that. I think you can see that, can't you? Oh my gosh. And then my standy bit that I'm leaning my phone on just fell over. Okay, so now I'm going to add my activator. And I'm just going to pour a bit in the cap. Always good. I'm just going to add 2 in at the moment. Hopefully this works because of the shaving cream that I put too much in. It's definitely starting to form something. Ew. That That feels horrible. This might be a fail. Just gonna some more. Why the heck did I just do that? Luckily I have some wipes on hand. Baby wipes are always good, even if you don't have a baby brother or sister like me. Which I don't have, so that's good. Oh my gosh, this isn't actually too bad. And then I better say that and it goes all wrong. I think I'm going to have to start adding more amounts of borax solution. So, this is not too bad at the moment. It's not done yet. Okay, I'll go back to you again when the process is over. So guys, it was like 5 minutes since I last spoke to you and I finished the slime. And honestly, shoot. That wasn't meant to happen. This is really good. But I did add some of this fruit hand cream to it from Wilko. And some Baylis and Harding England sweet mandarin and grapefruit luxury shower creme. Because it was not stretching. And then these two have definitely transformed the slime. I mean, listen to this poke. It's so obsessive. So oops, my phone is just slided. So I actually really recommend this slime. Anybody who's a slime fan and loves messy things and unicorn things. I want to transform my side of the room, because I share a room with my sister obviously, to unicorn, and my sister likes mermaids. So yeah, and I did say that I would show you my other slime at the end of this video. If you guys do make this slime, please go follow my slime Instagram, which is dreamy with 3 Y's, dreamy, no space, slimes with 4 S's on the end. On Instagram, I should pop up there, and my logo just says dreamy slimes with like with a sky in the background. Okay? And it isn't on private, but I haven't posted anything on there yet. So if you guys do go check out my channel and you do make this slime, please DM it to me, like your Instagram account, and I will follow you. If you're private, I'll still request to follow you because I'm a nice person. But yeah, if you're allergic to borax, I do not recommend this because it can burn your skin, and I think I'm okay. I think it's if you're allergic to it. I'm not sure. I don't think I am. So this is my lemon meringue pie, and the other one could be called unicorn slime, and this is just lemon meringue pie slime. I really love this slime so much. Oops, got a bit pink in it. It's fine. I think I should put these both on my Instagram, pictures of them. I might do a poking video. So if you guys like poke noises, watch out for my Instagram. Yep, I did tell you my Instagram. So if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I think I will be doing drawing videos in the future, some makeup videos, and maybe even some slime videos. I was thinking of making foam bead slime. So if you guys don't know how to make foam bead slime, then if I buy some, you should definitely come up to this channel. Bye guys!